And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
I think making that cancellation was the right move. The rain has been just miserable outside. I went out and did a Facebook Live, and it was like the rain's hitting me and the wind's throwing the rain in my face. And I'm like, I've had enough going inside. And that rainfall continues to come down. Moderate rainfall for areas in southeastern Mass as it works east to west across the area. Where you've had a little lull in the action in the rain in westerly in the last hour, that rain will work back into your area. That rainfall all associated with a big area of low pressure. I didn't even put the little L. I wanted you to see the clouds and see the rotation that's happening as this works to the west and then to the south during the overnight. So it's still not closest to our area yet. And that's why I think we still have some more room to grow with the winds during the overnight. I don't think we've hit our peak yet. The rainfall itself coming down, most locations will end up with about 2 to 3 inches of rain with this thing when it's all said and done. There's still some showers in the forecast tomorrow, but the bulk of the heavy rain will fall here in the next couple of hours. Wind speed sustained, kind of turning a bit more northerly now, but nonetheless, sustained winds over 20 miles per hour, over 35 miles per hour for Plymouth County, and it's the gusts that have been increasing with each and every hour. We've already had gusts across the area of 40 to 50 miles an hour. West Bay right now, especially in the North Kingstown area, seems like it's very gusty right now. Newport, gust over 40. A little bit of a break in the action with just some 30 mile per hour gusts in Taunton and Norwood and down toward New Bedford. But I do think that we will still have the winds kind of go up to that next level. And we've already had a wind gust in Little Compton of 49, URI 46, Beavertail 40, Fox Point 40, and New Bedford 35, West Island 36. So we've had the wind gust. And I think if we take it to that next level, we'll hit that forecast of about 50 to 60, which is what we expected. So high wind warning in effect for southern portions of Rhode Island, southeastern Mass, and parts of the Cape, all of the Cape and Islands. And that goes all the way till 2 p.m. on Wednesday. And that's where the likelihood of gust over 50 will be for tonight. Now, areas to the north and west, 40 to 50 mile an hour gusts have already verified, and we still have a chance for more gusts tonight. Again, the potential is there for power outages. I'm so thankful to say that even though there's been some reports of damage, that overall the numbers have stayed low. I'm hoping it stays that way overnight. We still have several hours of wind to go, and it will continue into the morning tomorrow. It doesn't taper off until later in the day. So wind gusts still 50, 60, 40, 50 with stronger winds for Cape Cod and the islands. That is enough to cause some power outages. This is a nor'easter because the winds are out of the northeast. Doesn't matter about precipitation in this particular situation. It's rainfall. Comes down for the rest of the night, but not as heavy as it will be in the next couple of hours. Lighten up a little bit by the time we get to morning. And then that rainfall tapers off to mainly just some showers throughout the day tomorrow. But the low pressure nor'easter is just kind of spinning around the area. You see these white lines here. These are isobars. The more tightly compact they are, the stronger the winds are, the tighter the gradient. That's why the wind stays strong through the morning. I think that morning commute is going to be ridiculously slow. I would not be surprised if there's some delays for the schools tomorrow morning. We go into the afternoon, there's still some showers. The winds are starting to slowly relax into the nighttime hours as the low finally pushes away and the showers finally move out. Thursday's a better day. Not the brightest day, but at least the winds will have backed off, the rainfall's moving out, and we have a quieter end of the week before our next round of rain for Friday night into Saturday. But the good news is, trending to be out of here a little faster, Sunday's looking better and better, and trick-or-treat forecast looks gorgeous that night. Nick.
Better and better. Thank you, Jeff. The NEC men's basketball poll is out. You'll see where the league picked the Bryant Bulldogs.